Summary of key ingredients and their benefits. Vitamins. Vitamin A, beta-carotene. Antioxidant, reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Vitamin C, supports immune, cardiovascular, skin, and digestive health. Vitamin D, enhances immune function, bone health, hormone balance, muscle strength, and mood. Vitamin E, supports immune, cardiovascular, bone, and cognitive health, neutralizes free radicals. Vitamin B1, thiamine, aids energy metabolism, nerve function, and cardiovascular health. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, supports energy production, red blood cell formation, and fat metabolism. Vitamin B3, niacin, promotes cardiovascular health, reduces triglycerides, and increases good cholesterol, HDL. Vitamin B5, boosts energy, cognitive function, and cellular repair. Vitamin B6, regulates blood sugar, immune function, and brain health, acts as an antioxidant. Vitamin B12, supports DNA synthesis, cognitive function, energy, and immune health. Minerals and trace elements. Calcium carbonate, strengthens bones, muscles, and cardiovascular function. Zinc, enhances immune function and cognitive health. Magnesium, supports nerve function, heart health, and blood sugar balance. Copper, aids energy metabolism and cholesterol regulation. Selenium, antioxidant, supports thyroid, heart, and brain health. Manganese, supports bone density, blood sugar control, and enzymatic reactions. Molybdenum, aids detoxification and enzyme function. Chromium, improves insulin function and blood sugar regulation. Plant-based antioxidants and herbal extracts. Lutein, promotes vision, immune, and heart health. Lycopene, supports prostate health, heart function, and cancer prevention. Spirulina, reduces cholesterol, inflammation, and blood sugar levels. Golden seal root, aids digestion, has antibacterial properties, and acts as an antioxidant. Echinacea, boosts immune function and fights infections. Garlic, supports heart health, immunity, and reduces inflammation. Green tea extract, potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, supports metabolism. Hawthorn berries, promotes cardiovascular health and cholesterol balance. Cinnamon bark extract, improves insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Bilberry fruit extract, enhances vision, cardiovascular health, and nitric oxide production. Grapeseed extract, reduces atherosclerosis and improves vascular function. Pomegranate extract, high in antioxidants, supports prostate, immune, and heart health. This summary highlights the primary benefits of each ingredient for overall wellness, cardiovascular support, immune function, and metabolic health. Don't wait until depletion hits. Stay strong, stay ready, lion ready. Get yours today, only from Jamaica Health Box.